Hi, my name is Dara, and a year ago I had a hair transplant by DHI. One of the reasons why I decided to get the hair transplant is because of the work that I do. Now, I'm an actor, and going into auditions, feeling self-conscious is something that you can't do. It can cost you jobs, essentially costing you money. So now that I've got it done, I'm ecstatic about the final result. It's given me so much more confidence walking into auditions. Losing your hair is a drag, and the thoughts of getting it back is a dream come true. But getting the right help is critical. Frankly, hair restoration is a complicated business. You have to do your homework, you have to do your research in order to not lose any money, especially for it not to be dangerous, and most importantly of all, for it not to be embarrassing. Now I'm going to talk you through the 10 questions you should ask yourself in order to choose the right company. The first question you got to ask yourself, is it safe? Yes, only DHI guarantee medical doctors undertake all procedures. All their doctors are specifically trained at the London Academy of Hair Restoration, and all their implements and punches are used once and then disposed of. The second question you got to ask yourself, is it effective? Well, yes. The survival rate of the grass is the highest in the industry at 90% versus 50%. The hairs last your lifetime, and after 10 months you can see mine are fully grown back. The third question, do the results look natural? Well, yes. Do I have to say any more? The fourth question you got to ask yourself, is the technology the best available? Well, yes. Direct hair implantation was pioneered by DHI and is still offered exclusively. Are the procedures regulated and quality assured? Yes. DHI established the standard operating procedures which guarantees 100% safety. Question 6. Is it painful? You're under local anesthetic, you're aware the whole time, and for me, it was painless. Question 7. Is it destructive? Well, in many cases, patients return to work the next day. Question 8. Will I get a proper diagnosis? DHI have created a unique diagnostic system. The diagnostic system includes the dermatological examination, alopecia test, DNA analysis, and stress analysis. No other company is this thorough. Question 9. Can I get help with prevention as well as restoration? Yes. Only DHI helps with prevention too. They offer PRP, which strengthens the follicles and stimulates your scalp. They also have a range of shampoos, conditioners, and antioxidant lotions. And last but not least, question 10. Is the technology backed by world-class scientific research? Yes. Only DHI has academic recognition and cooperation. Only DHI has all the right answers. It's safe, it's effective, it's natural looking, it's state-of-the-art technology, it's regulated and quality assured, it's painless, it's easy, it's properly diagnosed, it's prevention as well as restoration, it's backed by world-class scientific research. I hope that I was able to help you today and that you got something out of this video. And I hope that you also have the confidence that I have in DHI.